Today, we made a Christmas kilt. In the start, we select the fabric color, which is red and Wallace tartan. Then we cut the fabric according to the customer's length and width. We took a fur and stitched on the corner of the front apron and pleated panels. We make a front apron, and then we cut tartan panels to make pleats and sew with a straight stitch. Then we stitch the pleats across the top to secure them inside the kilt. Then we cut the piece of fabric and make flap pockets. When we make a pocket, then we sew these pockets on both sides. In the last, we cut the fabric for loops and sewed on the top waist. We also attached D-rings with these loops for hanging lightweight items.